be a team to defeat the bear. Okay. Who did that? I don't know.
It was me.
You destroyed my beautiful flowers. I just made them. No, you don't do it. I made those flowers.
I think it landed. I'm gonna put my fidget.
Wait. Let me see something.
I don't have anything strange.
What? He is real.
You stay away from me.
You stood with.
Ow.
Chito, give me the bear. Now. You're gonna be locked.
Hey guys,
Come on.
I want to really lock him.
He could blow up. There. He will never come out. Finally, we got rid of the bear. Chito, don't open that door. Get out. Chito, the bear. Get the bear out. No. How are we going to get rid of him?
He doesn't move no more.